The religion is the religion of Allah. Allah the Almighty gave it to Prophet Muhammad ﷺ, who taught it to the companions, who taught it to the tabi'een, who taught it to the tabi'it tabi'een. And the religion is and will flourish till the end of time. It is not only my Sheikh bin Baz, Ibn Uthaymeen, or Al-Albani. They're dead. So is it over? No. There will always be people who walk, not the catwalk, who walk the talk. So it is your responsibility to look for scholars, real scholars, not people like me and the others. We're not real scholars. We are students of knowledge. Allah favored me. I don't know about the others. Maybe they will be offended. I'm a scholar. Okay, khalas, you're a scholar. What to do? Allah favored me with some knowledge. I was an imam and a khatib for only 37 years. Alhamdulillah. So imagine khutbah every single Friday. You have to make. You do not cut and paste. You spend 4 hours researching, asking scholars, making, collecting and giving it. And Allah favored me with English, that I speak English. Others who are way, way more knowledgeable than me don't speak English. And Allah blessed me or tested me with TV channels, social media. So I get more exposure than anyone else. Does it make me a scholar? No. But it makes me more knowledgeable than you. That's for sure. So Allah blessed me to have the ability to travel, to explain the basics in a nice way where people would relate, say, yeah, this is logical. 1 + 1 = 2. I will do it. And alhamdulillah, things until now are good. Now your job is to look for local scholars. But the problem is, nowadays fitna is very, very tempting. So you will find scholars, mashallah, but go to the peak and then go to the valley. You want a scholar who is constant, not variable. He is steady over 5 years, 10 years, 20 years, 30 years. He's not flipping. Nowadays, on social media, 10 years ago, you'll find a scholar saying something. 5 years later, he says the opposite. 2 years later, he says something out of the blue. Last month, he said something nobody else on earth had said. What kind of a scholar is this? What kind of a sheikh is this? This is milk sheikh. So you have to look for steady scholars who fear Allah Azza wa Jal. Scholars that practice Islam according to Quran and Sunnah. Scholars that don't compromise religion. Oh, Sheikh Azim, I saw a picture of you with some beautiful sister. Me? Yeah. She's too beautiful. What can I do? A lot of the sisters come to me and say, Sheikh, we would like to take pictures with you, selfies. I said, I don't take selfies with sisters. I said, yeah, but Sheikh so-and-so does. That's Sheikh so-and-so. Go take pictures with him. I have 13 daughters. Alhamdulillah, no boys. And my daughters themselves don't have pictures with me. I don't have one single picture with my wife. I have the real nightmare. Why would I need pictures for that? So, if you find a sheikh that is sitting with music and guitar and he's listening and having fun, or sitting with women chit-chatting and cracking jokes, or doing inappropriate things or saying things that go against Quran and Sunnah and Akidah, throw them in the dustbin. But if you find shuyukh who's on the manhaj, on the Akidah, and they're moderate, not extreme, not haram, haram, haram. Sheikh, how are you? Haram. I don't need this. Islam is a religion of beauty, of ease, of simplicity, of clearness, of nature. When you hear a fatwa, halal, haram, go back to Quran and Sunnah, you find it according to Quran and Sunnah and nature, you're fine, inshallah.